Hello, all, welcome back to Project Mastery Podcast. Heuristics, resource leveling, and what you still need after durations. 3 quick wins today so you can answer exam traps fast and manage smarter. Let's move on to question 1. Heuristic-based is described as: is it a planning tool or an estimation method or a scheduling method or a generally accepted rule, which is called the rule of thumb? The answer is option A. It's a generally accepted rule, the rule of thumb. Heuristics or rule of thumb. They are quick, experience-based guidelines. Example, use 10% management reserve. They inform planning but aren't formal methods. Heuristic is a rule of thumb, it is not a method. Moving on to the next question. Rearranging resources so the number used each month stays constant. What is this called? You are going to rearrange the resources so that the number of resources utilized every month is going to be constant. Is it called floating or crashing or fast tracking or resource leveling? The answer is option D, which is resource leveling. We smooth resource demand over time. It may extend duration and change the critical path, but you get a steady resourcing pattern that is realistic and sustainable. The other options are not the right answer. Floating is not a PMBOK term. Float is scheduled slack. Crashing is going to add resources to shorten the schedule, not flatten usage. Fast tracking is going to overlap work to shorten time. It doesn't target constant monthly usage. Resource leveling means steady usage, possible longer duration is the impact here. Moving on to the next question. With activity duration estimates, what do you still need to complete the project schedule? Do you have to perform an EVA, or do you need a change control system, or you have to perform trend analysis, or you need reserves to complete the project schedule? The answer is option D, which is reserves. Scheduled reserves is the right answer. Durations alone ignore uncertainty. You add contingency buffers to build a schedule baseline that is realistic and at risk. Other options are not the right answer. EVA or round value analysis is related to execution time performance measurement. Change control is related to governance for modifying the baseline, hence it doesn't fit this context or this particular question. Trend analysis is all about reporting or monitoring. It's basically a reporting and monitoring technique. It is not for baseline creation. Duration and reserves, both included, will give you the workable schedule baseline. We have understood that heuristics, the rule of thumb, smoothing resources to a constant level, is what we call as resource leveling. Once we add the durations, we need to add scheduled reserves to finalize the baseline. We have come to the end of the episode. Hope the knowledge is valuable. Thank you for tuning in.